Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to download and install Call of Duty Black Ops 7 Open Beta. So here follow the steps. First of all, download the battle.net on your PC and install it, and after installing it, launch it and log into your account. If you don't have account, then create an account and then click on this Call of Duty bar, then click on play for free. Now you will see this type of interface. Click on continue. Now the base game is required and you can see here Black Ops 7 Beta. Check mark this option and then click on start install. You can see that Call of Duty Black Ops 7 Beta is installing on my PC. So by this way you can download and install Call of Duty Black Ops 7 Open Beta on your PC. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel. Share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.